Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to another video of short vowels. Alhamdulillah, in vowel series, we have done short vowels and we have discussed first two vowels, Fatha and Kasra, with their examples. In today's video, we have a Damma, which is gonna be our last vowel, short vowel, and it is last short vowel, which is called Dhamma in Arabic and Pash in Hindi and Urdu. This is how it's look like. This is Dhamma. This is shape of Dhamma. It always come above the letter and it has a comma shape here, such as Alif, the top of Alif and Hamza we have Dhamma. Got it? Let me tell you one thing more, which is what does Dhamma do with the sound of letters? As we learned that Fatha, it is moving the letter of sound of letter up, and Kasra, it is moving the sound down. And now we are having Zamma, which moves the sound of letter around, and it adds the ooh sound at the end of letters, sound of letters. For example, we have Hamza Zamma. Hamza Zamma. It was Hamza Fatha. If it was Hamza Fatha, so it should be ah, because it moves and drives the sound of letter up. But now we are having Zamma, so it means that it should add oo sound at the end of the sound. So Alif Zamma oo, Hamza Zamma oo, and this one, it would like make more clear, Ba Zamma Boo, boo. Got it? Now it is adding the sound of oo at the end of ba. And also it is moving the sound of letter around. You would say both of them. So if it was fatha, so it should move the sound of letter up, like ba fatha ba. We read ba fatha ba because it is moving up. And ba kasra b, moving the sound of letter down, right? Now it is moving around. Ba zamma boo, boo, boo. Got it? Ta zamma tu, tha zamma su, jim zamma ju. Here, ha zamma hu, kha zamma khu, dal, dal zamma du, dal zamma du, until ya. This is how it works. Ya zamma you, you. Ya sound, and after that, it is adding oo sound at the end of ya, dal, dal, whatever it is. Got it? So Alhamdulillah, we learned short vowels. In those short vowels, we learned Fatha, Kasra, and Dhamma. We learned how does Fatha, Kasra, how do Fatha, Kasra, and Dhamma do with sound of letters. And Alhamdulillah Ta'ala, this one, Dhamma one, is end of our like short vowel lesson. It is an end, and inshallah ta'ala in next video we're gonna start long vowels, and inshallah I will be teaching how long vowels work with different aspects, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.